Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn and Rock. Today we will write some vocabulary words. Soft, gentle to touch. Narrow, small width. Kind, caring about others. Warm, comfortably high temperature. Ajar, slightly open. To pay attention, to listen or watch carefully. To repeat, to do something again. To crush, to press something again. Dog ear, fold a corner of a page. To weep, to cry. Grab, hold. Thorny, having many thorns. Sink, to go down. Petals, modified leaves of plant. Planting, to put plant seeds in ground to grow. Bite, to cut with teeth. Meal, food. Hungry, wanting to eat. Wait, stay in one place. Dessert, sweet food eaten at the end of a meal. Aroma, a nice smell. Flavor, the taste. Fast, moving quickly. Drive, operate a vehicle. Queue, a line of people. Traffic, vehicles traveling in a particular way. Arrive, reach a destination. Drenched, completely wet. Stethoscope, medical device used by doctors. Goldsmith, a person who makes articles of gold. Thank you. If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe.